So good day, lovers of STEM. Today we're going to use graphical programming to do motion control on the LilyBot, and we're using the EduKit graphical programmer here. So what you will see here is just like we do in regular microcontroller code, we have a setup function, we have a loop function, and then we have the 4 functions that I will create in order to make the robot move. So the first thing you would do is you're going to create variables. So if you come over here and look at this menu, this is all of the different options you have here. So here we have our variables, and I defined all of them as integers. So if you click on new integer, I made a blue LED, green LED, yellow LED, red LED, AN1, AN2, which are motor controllers, BN1, BN2, which are also motor pins, and then PWM-A, PWM-B, and then I can have a global variable speed that I can adjust for the robot's speed. So then once I do that, inside of the setup function, you define each of the pins. So I set yellow to pin 10, red to pin 11, blue to pin 12, green to pin 13. Then AN1 and AN2 are 3 and 4, PWM-A is 5, and PWM-B is 6. Notice that PWM-A and B, 5 and 6, on the Uno are PWM pins. They have the tilde beside them. BN1, 7, and BN2, 8. Then in the loop forever, I just move forward, wait 1 second, stop, and then wait 1 second, and then move forward. So this goes on forever. So here are our 4 functions. All LEDs off sets all 4 LED pins low. All LEDs on sets all 4 LEDs high. So then over here, I have my move forward function, turns on all the LEDs, sets AN1 high, AN2 low to move forward, and PWM-A to 255, which is top speed on the motors. BN1 is high, BN2 is low, and then I set PWM-B 255, so that moves both wheels forward. Then the stop function just sets AN1, AN2, BN1, and BN2 all low. Now, the great thing about this is, as I am graphically creating the code, it's actually writing it in Arduino Sketch over here. So now I can either download this, or I can copy and paste it into Visual Studio or Platform IO or an Arduino IDE. And now I have the code to run on the robot. So next we will video the robot so you can see what happens when I download this code to the robot. So here's the robot moving forward, lights on and off, just like the code that I wrote in EduKit, or graphical programming. There's the left wheel moving forward, and there's the right wheel moving forward.